Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to use a PHP to use a for each loop using PHP. So we're gonna see exactly how it works, and we wanna show you how for each works. So I'm trying to close each and every tab here so that we start our work, and we're gonna see how to use it. So I'm gonna use PHP, but in all languages I think it's gonna be almost the same. You don't have to be much of stressed. It could be not exactly, but we're gonna see how it works. We wanna use a for loop, a for each loop. So okay, let me go into I'm gonna, since I'm using Linux. If you're using Windows, you can go to your WAMP server or XAMPP, whatever operating system you're using. Me, I'm gonna use Apache 2. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start my service. Start service Apache 2 start. Okay, you don't need to do this if you're not using Kali Linux or any flavor of Linux. Then I want to start this service, because in Windows most of these services you can make them to start automatically. So, or when you click on WAMP server, they start. So XAMPP, you have to start them. So Windows, you know, it's a click thing, then you're there. So we're gonna say service my SQL start. Oh, say unrecognized. I made a mistake here, so I'm gonna say it's just to be my SQL, so I have to delete this space, and here, and I say my and say enter. Once this starts, it's gonna show, yeah, it has started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here and I say localhost. I go to my localhost, but I'm gonna create a folder in there called, it's gonna be a file called for each. I'm gonna go in there and go here and I go to www. When you're here, then you create, we can create a folder here. I'm gonna copy this exactly. After copying that, I paste it here, and I wanna name it for each, and it's gonna be for each.php. So inside this, I'm gonna edit this. After editing this, I'm gonna say PHP. You open your PHP tags, PHP, then you can do this. After that, we know that our page is created, so we're gonna create an array. I'll call it anything. I'm gonna call it my array. Okay, then say equals to array. Then this array, you can put anything you want to put. You can put strings, you can put you can put strings, or you can put numerical numbers. So here I'm gonna say 20, 30, 20, 30, and 40, then 50. Then you don't put a comma on the end, the last one. Then you close with your bracket. Then you close your semicolon. So once you're done with that, I wanna press insert. I didn't want that to happen like that. So after that, I'm gonna go and I want to write the for each loop here. I'm gonna say for each, it's one word, guys. For each, then you open the brackets, then after that you put a curly brace. You go down here, you put also curly brace, then inside here, that's where you're gonna see, you're gonna say call that my array. So when you say my array, you say my array, my array, as you can make it capitals, no problem, as you can name anything. Then I say numbers. I would say I'll call it numbers, and after that numbers, and let me make it small. As okay, you can see it, the color changes. It's better to make it small letters. So you go in here, then that's what you're gonna say, and say echo item. So if you say echo or print, whatever you use, it's okay. You're gonna say echo this. So if we echo that, we're gonna see our results one by one. Then you can save, but if you save, we're gonna leave it like that. There's a reason why we're leaving it like that. Then from there we can see what to deal with. Here we're gonna say forward slash for each it's gonna be for each dot php. Then you hit enter. After that, when you hit enter, you can see that we're facing a problem whereby it doesn't show anything. So it simply means there is a problem in you can see this line, was supposed to close it, I didn't close, and it didn't show me some errors. So after that, you're gonna say enter. You can see it here 30, 40, 30, 20, 40, 30, 50. It's being printed there, but now we need something to do what to give us some spacing. We can do this, and you put /n here. N is gonna put it to the next line. Then after that you save. After saving, you come here and you enter. No, it gave us some space, not the next line. So when we get some space, you can see now it's formatted nicely. So then we're gonna go and try something here, something else. So if you wanna print them like this, it's fine. And also we can do this. We can say the array equals to item. So we can say this array, this, you can say that, then it can be we make it like this, then we say equals to this numbers. We close that, and then we can print after here. After here we can say print array. You're gonna see the difference. Print underscore r, then you can see enter here, then you can see you print your array. My array, gonna print my array here. After that you save. After saving that, you're gonna run want to see the, yes, you can see here it prints the array, says 0. It prints here and show you the, you see this second one, it prints and show you the position. So say 20, you know arrays, they start from counting from 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want to print something in third position, you have to print in 2, you have to target 2. If you want to print something in fourth position, you have to print 3. So if you want to print something in the first position, you have to target 0. So this one, it shows you that 20 is standing on position 0, 30 position 1, then 42, then 3 is 50, yeah, like that. So if you increase numbers in here, it's gonna give you another position, which is gonna be position what? Position 6, something like that. Okay, you can see position 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get me, 7. It keeps on giving you. Yeah, guys, I think that's for now for about the for loop, for each loop. If you don't want all of this, you can ignore this and you get your loop. Some loops you can use your database, you can collect data from the database, then you use the same trick I've showed you here, then you print your for loop. There are more to that to understand how it works really. So they say in the for loop, so the thing I showed you, it clearly shows you that it doesn't directly work with a source array. You understand? So you have to read and learn and understand much about the how the for loop works, the for each loop works. So there are many loops, but there's a reason why why they created this for each loop. So you have to learn the differences between the for loop, the for each loop, while loop, do loop, and do while loop. Those ones, all of those loops, you have to learn them. So but now this one is also one of the easiest loops to use. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. If there's something I didn't explain well, please help us and comment. Maybe we can try to fix it in the next tutorial. Yeah, this tutorial was targeting people who are using much PHP, but also you can use another language to do that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.